I want to take you on a quick tour of the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine. So one thing nice is that it is an electronic machine, which means anytime you pick a stitch, it automatically sets up the width and length and needle position to get you started. Just touch the button for the stitch you want from the top panel that has all your stitches on it, and you'll notice that everything will be set up for you. Touch the I for extra information, such as which foot you should be using. Should you have the amazing IDT feature attached to the back of the foot? That's the part that helps pull the fabrics through nice and evenly, not just from the feed dogs down below, but also from the top layer. So it'll tell you when to put it on. It'll tell you what tension you need to have, and there's a tension dial right here of a range of settings for you. Again, you can change your different widths and lengths. I do like that when you see the stitch change on screen, that is actual size. So if you are very visual and you're looking to get a stitch that's really close together, you can get that look before you even take the time to stitch it out. You can go from stitch to stitch just by touching the button. If I want stitch number 88, by the way, there's 110 stitches on this machine. Or you can use the arrows. As you arrow down, you go back down through the numbers, 86, 85, 84, or up as you go. So if you're doing one of our ultimate stitch books, which I highly recommend that you do when you stitch out all your decorative stitches, check out the link below this YouTube video where you can watch one of our free lessons from the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. They'll teach you all of the cool things of making your own stitch book, but it's a quick way to do it. Speaking of stitch books, a lot of times we talk about a start-stop button, which is on this machine. So pretty much if you were to start to sew with the start-stop button, it'll just go ahead and sew without you having to hold your foot on the foot control, and you could even slow it down, even slow enough for somebody young sewing. That will keep them with not racing off. So that's a nice way to go. If you want that pattern to finish, you've got things like the immediate tie-off button that you can engage, start the machine, and then touch the reverse button to tell the machine, you know what, stop when that pattern is done and do a few locking stitches for me. And then before you know it, you've got exactly the pattern you're looking for completed at the end of its repeat. Even tells me I should have stabilizer on for this particular stitch. We have the ability to mirror image a stitch, so a stitch like this that does have kind of a flip-flopped look to it, without having to turn your fabric all the way around and have too much fabric in the inside of this machine. You can just flip the stitch with the mirror image option. Now if we are on a satin stitch, I'm going to go to like stitch 69. We do have the ability to change how long the stitch is through an elongation function. Oh my gosh, you know me and decorative stitches. This just is so exciting. We can even come into the settings and add a twin needle to this feature. So when I talk about stitching out decorative stitches, you get a whole new look if you engage a twin needle option, and you can even tell the machine which size of twin needle you'll be using. So not to break the needle, the machine will automatically narrow the stitch width for you and make it very easy to stay within the stitching area. There is a needle threader and drop-in bobbin. So talk about easy for threading this machine, taking care of this machine. We do talk about how to clean and oil this machine, which is a good idea if you want it to continue to last longer. Have your local Pfaff retailer service it once a year. Trust me, it is worth it if you plan to use this machine for years to come. When you're done playing around with different stitches, go back to a straight stitch. There's buttonholes, sewing on button features, eyelets, bar tacks, mending, and then all sorts of other utility stitches and decorative stitches. So I hope you'll check out all the rest of our videos. There's a link at the end here for our complete playlist of over 40 videos that we have done on this fabulous machine. And if this is a machine that you're looking at purchasing, I think you'll really like it. It does give you a lot of growing in room, and also just that extra space inside is just something that I take for granted now, but anytime I'm working on a large project, there's plenty of room inside the machine.